All right, welcome to our Molten Works Ornament Create at Home kit. First thing we're gonna do is open the kit and go through what we are gonna find in the kit. So you have instructions on how to find the instructions, and you're probably watching those right now. And then just a picture to show you the before and the after for each of those ornaments that we're gonna walk through and create. You also have a project tag, and you're gonna write your name on that and your email so that we know whose ornaments are whose. And then the brochure goes over some tips and tricks with creating, how to cut the glass, how to glue the glass, and then how to get your ornaments back to the studio so that we can fuse them for you. Now in our kit, you are gonna find a bag of mosaic glass, and this is flat glass. This is in a variety of colors. You should have a large piece of white, red, and black, and then you're gonna have smaller pieces, another white, a blue and green, orange, and brown, and then you're gonna have a strip of yellow. You're also gonna find your ornament base pieces, and the base pieces are what we are going to build our designs on top of. You're gonna have a square, 2 rectangles, and 2 circles in there. You're also gonna find a bag with different color beads and black curls that we are gonna use in our designs. Now let's take a look at the tools. There's a pair of safety glasses in every kit. We're gonna put those on when we cut the glass. You have you have glue in your kit. You're gonna use the bowl to cut and store pieces of glass in. And you are going to have a wooden board in your kit. Now, if you've been to the studio before, we usually put our base pieces on the wooden board, but I want you to use your wooden board as your cutting surface. You have a pair of tweezers, you have a Sharpie that we're gonna use, and you also have your glass cutters. These look a little bit like a can opener. And you have your runner and your scoring tool. These 2 tools work together because the scoring tool scratches the glass and the runner breaks the glass where we scratched it. Now in your kit, you're also gonna have some green, white, and red spiraled cane that we are gonna use on our projects. So let's get started creating our first ornament.